Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert a SIM card in VIVO Y36. And to do this, first we'll need to open a SIM slot on top of our device. Use the SIM ejection tool. Now it should release, and inside we need to place our SIM card in one of these two slots. Like so. And then let's close the slot. And that's how we insert the card. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.